our pipes are completely frozen and it's time to install our heater. I might have just put it right to the chassis or something. So if the things get warm around, like very warm, might just burn stuff.
I think we are going to fail on our mission to winterize the van.
It's time to finish it. Smells like wood burning. We are up today to a big task. It's freezing cold inside of this van. Like the fridge says -3. Our pumps are completely frozen and it's time to install our heater. And I'm trying to figure out where to do the hole in order to reach the outside, because we need a hole to the exhaust pipe that goes down the heater. So we have our first problem. I bought this drill, which is 29 millimeters, and this was supposed to be 25, but it's right like the size of it, and I need it to be a bit bigger. We need two of these, one for wood, one for metal. Let's see if I managed to put the hole right where I wanted, or if I just completely missed. I don't find anything, so I'm not sure where did I drill up. I might have just put it right to the chassis or something. I thought it would be easier. I think I didn't totally miss it. Try to do the rest with this one. Now I need to roll the exhaust pipe in a heating protection thing. The hole is a little bit too tight. Usa a broca maior, aquela que nós compramos, esta. Assim faço um buraco aí maior desse lado e assim temos um buraco maior para puxar o tubo sem termos que estar aqui às voltas.
So do a bigger hole. Van life in winter, huh? Great idea. Especially if you don't prepare your van to it. So now, in this beauty, we will put the exhaust, the big hole we made it, here. Key. This is great. Everything's great. If you're wondering how cold is in here, it's -6. And we are out here installing the heater. I'm too cold to show emotions, but I'm feeling them. It's day 2 of installing our heater, and I hope this is the last day of installing our heater because I'm sick of this. Do you think the van is messy?
I mean, it could be worse.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
I have a problem now. I have no solution for it. I just want to smash this part here, but I don't know how. It's diesel. We put diesel here.
Diesel, yeah. Yeah, because
needs a little bit.
It's not good, yeah.
Yeah, it's just a little bit of electricity, but not much.
Yeah, okay.
But it's diesel. It's very common for people with vans to use this.
Yeah, okay.
But this is like a Chinese version, because they don't last as long, but they are as good. the pipe doesn't fit on the exit. I didn't really thought about it, I'm a bit dumb. So it's too close to this part of the wood in the bottom. So I cannot fit the pipe in. So I need to find a little bit of space here so I can just snug the pipe inside and we are done. Preciso que abras essa porta debaixo de ti. Vai haver aí um botão vermelho do teu lado. Consegues ver essa coisa grande? Deixa-me só fazer assim. Assim. E podes desligar. Roda. Pronto. Agora fica a mexer energia na carrinha. Perfeito.
E vamos esperar que eu consiga fazer isto sem fazer a carrinha explodir de maneira nenhuma.
Ai, para. Estou com medo agora que disseste isso.
Look at you!
Do we have a heater?
Yes, it's on. Like it's connected to the power and everything, so it's in the place. So now we just need to put it running.
Break for pizza?
Break for. Go for that pizza. Not really. Now it's time to see if it actually works. Eu ainda não liguei. She speaks.
It's not.
It's
No, come on.
It's cold.
The hole that I made is basically the same size of the pipe. So if the things get warm around, like very warm, might just burn stuff. It's hot.
It's not, man.
Yeah, but you can see the wood itself.
Yeah, but the wood's fine.
Is it?
Yeah, the wood's completely fine. There's nothing, there's sawdust, but I can't see any signs of burning. And I think it's burning away new residue that's on the inside of it here. What kind of burning does it smell like? Does it smell like burning wood? Does it smell like burning fabric, rubber, metal?
I'm actually not sure.
Because they have very distinct smells, and if you can't smell it, I would say it's probably chemical residue.
Yeah, but the thing is, it shouldn't come inside, you know? Like the exhaust is just pointing that direction, so it shouldn't never go inside.
So is that probably means that your hookup isn't tight enough? Maybe you just haven't tied it correctly.
No, it is, I think, because the hookup it's here, you know? So, and it was coming out from this hole.
No, it smells like varnish. So it is the wood, but it's the varnish coating on top of the wood. Yeah, that smells like varnish.
But where?
Like, it could be in there, it could be the pipe station. This is always a tomorrow problem, right?
So I need to do a bigger hole. I'm going to sleep. It's 9 and I'm not sure what is happening. It's day 3 of trying to put the heater on. And we are back to the outlet store to find a little bit of a bigger drill to do a bigger hole. So we can put the exhaust a little bit better than it is, maybe. I'm not sure if that's the problem, but we'll try to figure out. Mas eu tenho medo que estas também não cheguem para devastar tudo. Eli, the other day, went to the hardware shop just to buy these drills. I think it will work out before the heater because it's raining a lot. So tomorrow it's not raining and we'll do it. And the other thing we have to do is put in this pump for the windshield cleaning, for the water for the windshield. Our pump is just leaking like crazy. I don't know why, I don't know what happened. So I will try to change it. I'm not sure how I will do it. I will just figure out on the job. And we need to put this fan on, the blower, the power burned. I don't know why. Instead of the fuse, we will try to change this. And oh, there is no wire burned too. It's only the engine.
Don't worry, I got your back. From here.
Came out. basically the same size. It's a different shape in the back. Like the hooking points are different.
Although I would like to have some heating system in our van, I'm also enjoying this series because I'm just like you guys. I'm standing here that I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm just here watching. It sounded a little creepy now.
I need to take the water tank for the windshield out in order to reach the pump.
You need this one. It's the best.
Maybe.
Honest.
That one can help with everything. Like it's roughly the same thing. Goes like this, I think.
I think we are going to fail on our mission to winterize the van, because so far it's not going well. Damn floor! Oh! Sorry, babe! We're not gonna fail everything, because we just did the water in the windshield.
It's raining. It just started to rain. It wasn't raining the whole day. And now it starts raining. And I don't really want to do it while it's raining. I had whole morning, but I was lazy. So it's my fault. Maybe tomorrow. It's time to finish it.
It's installing a heater. Not that badass, but okay.
We need to fix the heater because it's leaking some kind of exhaust fumes, and the power, it's not correct. It's measuring the wrong voltage. So I have this multimeter, I don't remember the name. I will try to measure the power and see if I change the wire to another place, if it will get better or not. I hope it will get better, because if it doesn't, we are a bit. It's right. How much is that? 14.2?
14.2.
But it's measuring what it should, around 14. And when I put it on the heater, most of the times it's measuring at least 2 volts below that. And I don't know why is that happening, because the connection here is okay. So I think it's the heater itself that there is something wrong with it.
I don't think I understood. What does that mean?
What is going to happen is when our batteries are, it's around 12.5, 12.8, around 13, for example, it will, for safety, disconnect at around 10.5. So if it's measuring wrong, we are not able to use it.
Okay, I understood it.
I think I'm missing something. It's pretty hard to be down there without something. Oh, wait. I'm Bonamox. Sunday, bloody Sunday. The glasses are not working that well.
Chico is that girl doing things with the drilling machine. Break it. It's fine, break it.
Yeah.
On the floor?
Yeah, it's on the floor.
It's the final test. I hope it doesn't leak now, and I hope the voltage is going to be right this time. Because it's not, if it's not, we need to return it or something, I don't know. It's right. How much is it saying there?
13.2, 13.1.
13.1. It's in 10.5. I'm sure it will cut off again. I'm so sure. What was that?
It's warmer.
Voltage is on 10.2 right now, 10.1.
Oh, it's hot.
No, it's smoke coming out, see? That's where I'm wondering. Maybe you think that might be... It might be like humidity or something on the tape. It smells like wood burning. I think there is some shavings burning. And the smoke stopped. Yeah, here it stopped already. So, took me weeks. I started putting this thing in the van at the, I don't know, 20th of December or something, before Christmas. It's 8th of January right now. I was pretty much demotivated after the failed attempt of the first time. So I didn't really want to do it again, take everything apart, put everything back in. But well, it's done. It's working for at least an hour right now. It's working fine. It's kind of warm inside already. It's not a bad temperature, so I think that's a plus for now. No errors this time. I didn't change anything on the wiring, as you saw. So I don't know what was the problem last time. I'm not sure if there is still smoke coming in the van, coming out through the exhaust or something in the fixing. I think it's pretty tight this time, so we need to buy a carbon monoxide reader just to make sure we don't die inside of the van. We'll use it with our windows cracked, so there is some air circulating around, and we, at least until we don't have the carbon monoxide reader, we are safe in that point. And after that, if we find out there is a leak, we'll just take everything apart, try to find out that leak and put everything back in. But let's hope there is no leak, because this takes a lot of effort. Don't forget, stay tuned, subscribe to our channel, and see you next week.
Yeah, what he said.
What I said.